We have a 2003 GMC Duramax, and we have Husky base rail GM2500 kit, part number 31397, and we're going to install it. And I'm going to show you how. Etrailer sent me these brackets and they don't match up, and I have to do some extra drilling and modifying to put them on my truck. And I haven't installed them yet, but that's how one of them look. And what's going on is it goes up and you have these holes right here where you have to drill more, a little bit wider, for it to be correct, like they say, flush to the top. So I'm going to attempt to install this and show you how this Husky 16,000K fifth wheel is installed after I finish. Yeah, I'm back. Yeah, still installing. And this book says I should measure 26 and 5/8. That's a big boo-boo. Man, it should be 28 and 5/8. If anybody watching, that's what you should measure by. 28 and 5/8. And I'm gonna show you why. We got that little boat city sitting right there. And I'm playing with it. Sting it all off. You see my boat? Gotta make my hole bigger. I said I gotta make these holes bigger. You see how they uneven? Gotta make them bigger. But it's gonna fit. Got these measurements off. Whoever make this thing at Etrailer.com, y'all got some bad measurements, man. For real. I'll show you. Look at these holes, y'all. Look. I ain't lying to you. What the measurements say? 26 and a half, 5/8 down there. I was off a little bit, still it ain't matched. Now here it is. At 29, 28. See that dot at? About 3/4, I say. Make you a hole right there. Make me a hole right there. 3/4. Yeah, you gonna take this right here, one of these, you heard me, your bracket, and made them big old holes. Take that, put your bracket over there, sucker like that. What the books say and how it go. You know what I'm saying? Take this one over here. Got another one somewhere. Here you go. That's how it go. Take this other piece right here. Take this piece and this piece. You're gonna go down to the bottom. Now they say remove my my dust shield, heat cover, and take them latches off, but I ain't do that. You know what I'm saying? I'm a mechanically inclined. I got small hands. I move around and stuff. See, my heat shield still up there. So everybody who's looking, you ain't gotta cut y'all heat shield if y'all don't wanna cut y'all heat shield. What I'm saying, I'm gonna keep looking, keep working, but I ain't cut my heat shield. It's still there. But just need to focus on Yeah, there we go. See? My heat shield still up there. It's getting dark. I'm saying I'm on this side. We working on the other side. I'm going back to the other side over here. Outside. Side was off. Yeah, driver's side. See my boat. Yeah, bracket right there. You know what I'm saying? Hit y'all back in a minute. Now see, I ain't got it up there. You see how them holes is right there? You see that? Etrailer.com. Y'all need to make them holes a little bit. I'll put that in y'all thing that y'all stuff is not accurate, but somewhat accurate. But it's not on there. See that one right there? Drill a little bit more. But like I say, it's going on now. It's just my focus right. Yeah, you see that? You see that hole? You see that hole? It matches up. You want to put them chrome things on there. Everybody watching. Got that first bracket on there. You know what I'm saying? It's almost there. They say you're supposed to have these things 22 inches apart. We gonna see though. We gotta be 22 inches apart. Cause all these measurements they got wrong to me. I got my first bracket in there. You know what I'm saying? I gotta tighten it down some more, but it's in there. Yeah, and you got these little sleeves right here. I'll show y'all. Take these sleeves. You got a space right there. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna put that right there. That sleeve underneath that thing with his dip at. And gonna have it flush. Cause it's hanging. We gonna get it though. Yep, well, it's me again. It ain't got fucking dark out here. Excuse my language, but it's dark. And see, I done put my hitch on here. Yep, I got my back rail. It's down there, it's dark as hell, you can't really see. But it's dark. And they say something about in this book. Let me show y'all again. They say in this book. Oh, wrong page. Right here. In this book, it says, right here from the cab, short bed 6.5, which I have. It says 43 inches. I have a short bed 6.5. Now I'm gonna show y'all. See that? That's touching the glass right there. And they say the center of the thing should be 40. Alright, I'm back. I got some light. You see there? It's dark. But that's how I should look. And I was trying to show y'all earlier what my tape measure went. Man, I'm losing stuff. I must have dropped it. It says will be 43. And like I was saying, for somebody called my phone interrupting me, it's supposed to be 43 at the center. You see? And it's 40. You know what I'm saying? It's somewhat. It's a little bit off. It's 42. 3/8, some shit like that, at the center. But, you know what I'm saying? I guess it's gonna do. God do. Ain't no other way. It's part 3 right here. You know what I'm saying? Here's part 3. Part 3. Oh, going. It's part 3, you heard? Part 2. It's nowhere near, alright? Like I was saying, I'm back. Etrailer.com. You sold me this husky 5th wheel bracket attachment, and this is my problem. I got it all mounted, as you can see, with the right side. From y'all say, I had to remove the brake cable nut right there. But you see, Etrailer doesn't match. Gotta drill a little bit more. Y'all hoes do not match y'all brackets. I think y'all need to lower the price since they don't match the brackets. You got the customer doing more work than he's supposed to be doing. But it matches, it goes on there. Got it on there. And all I do is make these holes bigger against the frame of my iron truck. Yeah. Make them a little bit wider. And I think I'll be ready. Well, my right side be done, driver's side be done. All I'm gonna say that is late. And I got them on there. I drill a little bit, but Etrailer.com. I got your brackets on there. I got your video too. They on there. I got them suckers on there. Got my 5th wheel in there. That husky. Let's say 16,000.